Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And although today is Face Beat Friday, we're going to be doing that thing in reverse. So instead of me showing you how I got this beat, I'm going to show you how I took this beat off. Okay, how I take this beat off. This is going to be a simple like skin routine. I'm going to show you how I do this because you know the first key to great makeup is great skincare, and I'm going to show y'all how I try to keep my skin together. Thank you to all of those people who have complimented my skin, because I'm telling y'all it is a journey. She works really hard to try to keep her skin together. Sometimes it don't work with me, so I have to do a lot of different things. And I'm going to show y'all like my basic nightly skincare routine. So before we get started, before we jump into that, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below. Hit it now so that we can get started. Y'all subscribed? Y'all ready? Well then let's get this thing started. This is just like one of my everyday go to work beats. I don't always get super crazy with my eyeshadows. This is like, I don't even have blush or highlighter on or anything. This is a very just simple, muted, not even muted, but just like simple face. I don't know, simple face. So the first thing I do is take off my makeup. So this is my go-to. This is the Makeup Magic Eraser. I got it from Sam's. It came in a 2-pack for like $12, I think. And this wipes off all of your makeup, you guys. This wipes it off. Sometimes I use just this, and then sometimes if I have like more makeup on than I do now, I would actually use this Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. Sometimes I use those together. But today I'm just going to use my Makeup Magic Eraser. And all you have to do is, first off, just get this wet with hot water. Now that I have my makeup wiped off with my makeup eraser, do y'all see that? All that makeup. I like to use the Bioelements system. So Bioelements is a professional skincare line. It's used by estheticians across the country. It's sold at Salon Centric, which is where I got this from, which is a professional beauty supply. I got the 4-step system, which includes a cleanser, a toner, a moisturizer, and the micrograin mask. I do not use the micrograin mask every night. I use it about once or twice a week, just depending on what my skin is doing for that week. Today I am going to use it so that y'all can see how it works and how it looks and all of that good stuff. So let's start with the cleanser. It is a foam cleanser. I use about, first thing I like kind of moisten, like dampen my face. And I use about 3 pumps, because I like a nice rich lather, and I scrub for easily a minute to a minute and a half. And I know that might sound like a lot, but you have to really work up in there, and like my trouble areas I really focus on. So lately my nose has been giving me a lot of issue. Also, I don't know if y'all see this little friend right here that's trying to like set up a house in a neighborhood and bring his cousins and friends to come stay with him. Well, no, we are evicting this friend. Okay, we're going to evict this friend today. And any other, like up in here, see there goes his cousin right there, like those little areas I focus on when I'm doing my cleanser. So take your time, don't rush it. You can't just put it on and then wipe it off. You need to like work that sucker in there, okay? So as you're rubbing and you're you know, doing your circles and your cleansing, it's best to always cleanse up your face. It helps reduce wrinkles. So don't pull down on your face. Like, your face is already going to try to go down. Like, that's gravity. Pull opposite. And I know, like, when I speed it up and I do it really fast, it doesn't necessarily look like that. Look, always pull up. Right, now let's rinse. I'll just take a nice dry white cloth and just kind of dab. I'm not wiping, I'm just dabbing. Dabbing any excess. Ugh. All right. Whew. I like to look, y'all, I'm a little weird. I like to look to see if I have any makeup. There's a little bit left on. Just a little bit, but that's after the cleanser, so that's not even bad. That's like, that means my makeup is gone. And that was all from just water and this little makeup eraser. So next is your measured micrograin mask. And a little bit of this goes a very long way, okay? So let's get some. I'm gonna plop this on right in that area first of all. Let that be the first place that gets some of this love, okay? First place. And then we'll get this all over. And y'all, don't forget your neck, okay? Your neck ages too, you know. Your neck shows your age more than your face. So let's get that together too. I put a little extra on those areas, man, because I'm telling y'all, we have to evict them. Like, they are not paying rent here. Like, we are an upscale neighborhood and you are not allowed, okay? No. Alright, so let's let this sit. I usually let my mask sit, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, way longer than I should. But today, we're gonna do good and we are going to let this sit for 10 minutes and then finish off this cleanse, okay? Be right back. Okay, so 10 minutes are up. I went and got comfortable, you know, got me a shower, you know, relax and stuff. So I got my PJs on, and now it's time to finish this skincare routine so I can call it a night. All right, let's wash this off. I like to use a nice white washcloth, of course. See that? Get all that dead skin off, honey. Now this mask does it is an exfoliating mask, so that's why I only do it once to twice a week, because it is not a mask that you can do every day. It's entirely too harsh. And get some of that dead skin off. I just feel refreshed. All right, so that is all that dead skin. Oh, can y'all see it? It's really not too bad, but it feels amazing. My face already feels like 10 times better. So now I'm gonna tone it with the equalizer. And I don't think I told y'all, but this entire system at Salon Centric was $49.99, I believe. I looked online to see how much it would be to order it. I want to say it was like $99. I'm sorry, y'all, but you know, it's a professional product, and I'm not gonna lie, it's worth it. So let's go ahead and spray on this equalizer. I probably do entirely too many sprays, but I don't care. I want it to cover everything. And last but not least, the absolute moisture. And I take about a fingernail's amount and I just massage that into the skin. And that's it, you guys. I am done. My face is makeup free, oil free. And that's it, you guys. I'm done. My face is makeup free, clean, refreshed, and baby soft. So now it's time for me to hit the hay, alright? Y'all make sure y'all come back next week for another Face Beat Friday. And I will actually beat this face, I promise. If you want to see some more of my Face Beat Friday looks or just my beat face in general, make sure you follow me on Instagram at BStokeStyling or visit my website www.bstokestyling.com, and I will see y'all next week. Don't you click off this video just yet. You keep on clicking. You click up here and you go to that next video. You missed out last week. Go look at it. There it is. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.